Everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Euro Truck Simulator 2 if it won't launch or keeps crashing on your PC. Follow each solution step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library. Find Euro Truck Simulator 2. Right-click the game and select Properties. Click Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair your game, then try launching it. Solution 2. Right-click Euro Truck Simulator 2 again. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Browse Local Files. Open the bin folder. Open the Win_x64 folder. Find eurotrucks2.exe and right-click it. Select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Enable/disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply. Then OK. Launch the game again. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the newest driver. Solution 4. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Select Check for Updates. Install any available update. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of the video. Scroll down and download VC Redist x86. Then download VC Redist x64. Locate your downloaded files. Double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for the installation to finish and click Close. Do not restart yet. Double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms and wait for it to install. Now restart your PC. And that's it. Your Euro Truck Simulator 2 should now launch without crashing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and enjoy the drive.